Hello and welcome back to Learn English for Beginners. Please relax and enjoy Lesson 18. Try not to memorise anything. Absorb the English words slowly and calmly. You are doing really well. Let us begin. Here are 12 very important English words. Do not repeat yet, just listen. Think, know, feel, believe, understand, remember, forget, decide, expect, hope, mean, agree. Good. Now we will listen again and then say the same words together. Please listen to the 12 English words again and repeat them after me. Think, think, know, know, feel, feel, believe, believe, understand, understand, remember, remember, forget, forget, decide, decide, expect, expect, hope, hope, mean, mean, agree, agree. Very good. Keep things slow. Now we will listen to some joined words. You can say them too if you like. Think now. Think about it. Know the answer. Know this. Feel happy. Feel ready. Believe you. Believe this. Understand the problem. Understand the answer. Remember yesterday. Remember the name. Forget the name. Forget the question. Decide now. Decide later. Expect change. Expect good news. Hope for change. Hope you feel good. What mean? Mean the same thing. Agree with you. Agree together. Excellent. Let us continue. Now, listen to a simple, easy story using all of the 12 English words. Hello friend, today is a good day. I think about an important question. I feel ready to learn the answer. My friend knows something about this problem. I believe my friend understands the point. Then I remember an idea from yesterday. But my friend forget that example. So we decide to work again today. We expect a good result. We hope for the right answer. Now the question means something clear. My friend and I agree. Good work today. Well done. To finish, let us listen to the 12 English words one more time. Think. Know. Feel. Believe. Understand. Remember. Forget. Decide. Expect. Hope. Mean. Agree. Very good. Okay, you have now reached the end of lesson 18. You did very well today. You should now rest and I will see you for lesson 19. Goodbye. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share and subscribe.